Yes, it's very nice. Good afternoon, the young technocrat of India. Today, 28th of June, we're going to start Unit 3 of Idea to Business Model. So ultimately, in our previous unit, we able to learn search about business idea, innovation, creativity, product development, new product idea. And in the second unit, be able to know about the entrepreneurship, its meaning of entrepreneurship, and functions of entrepreneur, and many more. And most important, we learn barrier to entrepreneurship. So now, in the unit number 3, we able to know about the entrepreneur, who is its type of entrepreneur, its competency to required, and many more in creative and design thinking, entrepreneur decision process, and the process of entrepreneur development program and evaluation of EDP, entrepreneur development program. So let me start because it's too late. It's my humble suggestion to you and can say request. And finally, it is my order. Whatever you like, you can follow the advice. You must join at least 10 minutes before of the session start. Make your habit to join 10 minutes before of the session start. Yeah. So here you're able to read. Everyone can see the screen. Yes. Fellow Rituraj.
Yes, sir.
Good, Harshvardhan. So as you see the data of 2019 till 2019, we can miss this 2020 and 21 because the entire world has changed, thoughts are changed, old school of thoughts are changed now. You see that 472 million entrepreneurs around the world launch 100 million startup. 100 million startup. 1 million means 10 lakh. Got it my point? 1 million means 10 lakh. Was it? And so this 100 million mean how much? Yes, reply please. 1 million means how much? Yes, students.
10 lakh.
And 100 million means? Yeah.
10 crore.
Yes, yes, please.
Sir, 1 crore.
1
Sir,
crore.
10 crore.
10 crore. Yes, yes, clear me. Yes. Harshvardhan, Rituraj, Ritika, anyone? 1 million means 10 lakh. So 10 million means 1 crore and 100 million means who answered? 10 crore? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. So 10 crore startups in 2019. And as we see the result, there is a 9 out of every 10 startups failed. You can see the figure. And what is the reason behind it? The biggest reason is a undercapitalization. So once you have a limited funds with you, so it is not advisable that you will start any startup. Yes, if you have resources to start the capital, start your startup with a very minimum amount, then most welcome. But most important, you must have a backup fund for your own survival. For your own survival. And here, what kind of entrepreneur you want to be. As we already shared the quality of entrepreneur, he must have a risk-taking capacity, daring, innovative. Have you saw the videos? The video of Jack Ma, video of others I shared with you. How many of you saw the videos? Just on the chat box. We are on 99. We are on 99. Yeah, become 100. Congratulations, everyone. We make a century today. Yes. How many saw the videos? The quality of entrepreneur. 7, 8. Wonderful. Go ahead. More and more. Just show me your hand. I can see which is the fast you can do. Show me your hand. How much you can see the videos. 2. Very nice. 3, 4, 5. Very nice. 9. 9. Yeah. 20. Come on fast. Make it 20. Raise your hand. Make 20 it. Yes, set. Good, good, good. 11. Very nice. So you saw the all videos from unit 1 to unit 2. Every videos. Good one, good one, good one. Go ahead, go ahead. We are 100 today. That's fine. Yeah. So we can see here the either we are looking a startup online business. This is the first choice of every technocrat. Yes, it is the first choice of technocrat. Start an online business or move into the brick and mortar storefront and work for yourself, which is very important. Those who do not want to do a naukri, can say service, can say job, they want to do their work for themselves. So you must first decide what kind of entrepreneur you want to be. It is very important. What kind of entrepreneur you want to be? For that, what we know, type of entrepreneur. Is that clear to everyone? We wish to know type of entrepreneur. Want to be entrepreneur? That's great. So here, so what we want to be first, we must know what is entrepreneurship. As we already said, already we discussed on this point, to set up a business and taking a financial risk. Once again, be able to see this and goal to making a profit. What is ultimate goal of the business entrepreneur? To making a profit. And the more terms that we want to be a big business or want to be a sole proprietorship. So those want to go for the big business, and there is some steps, finance, it's required much more. If you want to be a sole proprietorship, you can start with a small amount. So concept of innovation, it should be in your mind, and you want to develop something totally new, because if we want to be able to give us something new to the society, then only we can be settled in the market. So ultimate, we can give the new solution to the problem, which can change the way people live for better. So anyone can share an example, what are the new innovations which makes the human life is very simple? Anyone can open the video and mic. Yes, you can unmute yourself. You can start your video and just share your views. What are the new innovations in last 1 month or 6 months? Anyone? Yeah.
Automated processes.
Very nice, Harsh. Good. Automatic
Electric
processes.
vehicles.
Yeah.
Electric vehicles.
Electric vehicles. It is a requirement for the saving environment. Very nice. Anyone? Anyone?
Products with sensors.
Huh?
Products with sensors.
Very nice. Product with sensor. Good, good, good. Any other?
5G.
5G. Wonderful. Or 5G के अलावा anything? Yes, please. Speak. Speak. What
Drone.
are the? Huh?
Drone
Danesh,
del-
video on कर लो ना.
Sir, drone deliveries.
Yes, drone delivery, wonderful. And
Solar system.
wow, good. Next. What are the new ideas you saw in a last 6 months? What are the new product introduced in the market? Yes. What are the new product in the market? Come on. Tell me. We have to give the some bigger idea. So ultimate chief motivator to driving the lion's share in the business. And ultimate aim, what is the ultimate aim? Here you can see profit. Yes. Yes or no? Ultimate aim is a profit. Yeah. Got it? So here I am going to discuss with you a 5 type of entrepreneurship with a real world example. So we will discuss this real world example. So how many other business family people are here? Say yes. Say yes. Just say, no need to type. A business family. Yeah. Just say or yes or no. Yes. Those have a business family, say yes. Yeah, Nishtha Jain, Samriti Agrawal, Ilma Rose, Panshu. Say yes. What's your name? And Anshul Kumar. Good. So how many are here? Those belongs to business family? Yeah, please. Ajur Prashar, Tanya Verma, Vagisha Goyal. Yeah. So here, let me go through that the 5 type of entrepreneur with real example. I hope you love it. So first is the social entrepreneurship. Yeah, social entrepreneurship. So social entrepreneurship, if we talk about, then we able to see it is a social conscious business. It is total focus on solving social problem. Have you seen the movie of Toilet? Yeah. Yes or no? Say me. How many of you
Yes.
saw movie Toilet? Yes. Aparna and yes. Akshita, good. Anshul, yes. Only AAA? No, don't raise hand, man. Just say yes.
Yes, sir.
Ujjwal, good. Ritik, very nice. Ritik Roshan, Rohela. And Ujjwal, say yes. Those who saw the movie. So that was somewhere a social problem. Okay. And there is a other social problem. Let me discuss. So such as access to food, money, and education. Huh? So these are the sum. Pratik Rastogi, good. These are the sum. The stated goal of these companies to make world better. We are talking about the social entrepreneurship. Social. And ultimate purpose to still make money even then ultimate purpose to make money. But we says such company develop the product and services with the goal of achieving lofty goal of these lofty goals. And the model sometimes described non-profit organization. You heard about NGOs? Yeah. You heard about NGOs? Yes or no? Say yes or no. Don't raise the hand.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Anshul. Anshul, next.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, Ritik. And
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Pratik Rastogi, Akash Agrawal. Yes, one. So good. So here we can see the live example. 7th generation which sell eco-friendly cleaning and personal care. Is it? And sometime you saw the some of the companies very economical beds. Some of the companies. And here we can see the social concern about the so many household products which will save the hands of our housewives. If you see, a Nirma company started the first detergent powder, which is very economical. Earlier there was only surf. The cost of surf is very high. A Nirma promoter from Gujarat, they feel that the most of the family cannot afford, and they develop one detergent agent that we become, it is a very economical. And apart from that, sometimes some of the companies make a product which are not used by the harsh chemicals because they want maintain the health of society. And sometimes some firm donate free text to community and they develop to make an environmental friendly product. You heard about the organic product? Some of the companies are making. Can anyone have an example? Organic product. Anyone can share the example? Anyone? Yes, Anshul? Papad,
Sir, Mama Earth.
Mama,
Patanjali products.
Patanjali product, or yes. Gandhi Ashram, they produce a very economical product.
Khadi Naturals.
Khadi Naturals, very good. And which can be biodegradable. What we can use a term? Yeah, biodegradable. Yes, is it? अभी हमारे MIT की बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के स्टूडेंट और टीचर्स ने एक सैनिटरी नैपकिन बनाया है बांस जो होता है लकड़ी का, उसके रेशे निकालकर उसको यार्न क्लॉथ में कन्वर्ट किया एंड दे मेक इट, एंड दैट इज हाईली अप्रिशिएटेड बाय आवर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आल्सो, which is biodegradable, means after some time that will be melt with the soil. It is not harmful, like a plastic is a very harmful, it reduces the fertility of land. Are you agree with it? Yes, yes. So this kind of example we can see here, social entrepreneur. Ultimate their aim is also to making a profit, but they have to make a profit. Apart from that, they also give the good service to the society. You saw the some of the people, they put up the stall that's a full plate thali of food in Noida and the metro cities, just rupees 5 rupees or 10 rupees only. They want to give access to the food. All right. Yeah, some of the non-profit organizations, they are making a product and they just take a cost of their product only. There is a center in Meerut Commissioning Charaha. The name of that center is Saras, S-A-R-A-S. How many knows that? Anyone? Saras, Meerut Commissioning Charaha. वहां बोर्ड लगा हुआ, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. आप लोगों में से किसने ध्यान किया उस तरफ? वहां होममेड पापड़, वड़िया और हैंडमेड शीट, आपका घर का दूध, इवन देन काउ डंग, वो जो उपले होते हैं गोबर के, वो भी मिलता है, खाद मिलती है. और जो घर में आपने देखा होगा वो मोतियां लगा के कुछ ना कुछ डेकोरेटिव पीसेस बनाते हैं. वो काफी चीजें इस टाइप की जो हमारे घर में सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप, जो वुमेन हेल्प ग्रुप है, वो सब डेवलप करते हैं, बनाते हैं, और वहां पर एक तरह से सेल काउंटर है. तो जो सरस है वो सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप होगा, which is promoted by the government even then, but that is considered as a social entrepreneur. वो क्या करते हैं? लोगों को कुछ रॉ मटेरियल देते हैं और रॉ मटेरियल से they make a some product and they help them for the marketing of their product. घर घर में जो चीजें बन सकती है, पापड़ जैसे घर में बनते हैं, कोई भी बना सकता है, and they can sell these. So ultimately, this is the example of the social entrepreneur. Now we come on the number 2. This is a very important innovation entrepreneurship. As you are a generation of 21st century, and from last 2 years, 2020 and 21, you see the drastic change, very drastic change. At present, before this 2020, every parent and teacher complain that the boy and girls always on phone, but now said they are always with phone and they feel happy. On laptop, many more things. So you see the some of the configurations are changed. Today we are talking on the Zoom platform. For so many before time we talk about Skype only, and today we have a Google Meet, Google Classroom, Microsoft Team, Cisco, many more, which we can able to see development here. And some of you saw once the work from home, the demand of lower is increased. Okay, so here innovation entrepreneurship, we can talk about this. It is rooted in a new invention and idea. Yeah, what are the important words here? It is rooted in new invention and idea, and then transform into ventures. So first you are a friend, 2, 3, 4 friend, together you can make some innovation, convert it into invention, and then you feel it should be commercialized. So it's become your innovation entrepreneur. All right. And this firm aim to change how people live and seek way and make product services stand out. So ultimate aim of this firm is changing the habit of people, their lifestyle, their way of thinking towards their product. You see some of someone develop the wristwatch. They can check up their BP, sugar, and how many times they walk, how many steps they can calculate and count it. So it's become now become a requirement, a basic need. Those are passionate about the walking, passionate about to keep them healthy and fit. Is that? So here, so these companies make something different from existing product. Here you can see the example, iPhone. It's a lovely phone, iPhone and Ferrari. This is, I think, a good dream and first choice of every young technocrat. Yes, iPhone. How many love it? iPhone might be their first purchase once you got a first salary. Is it? So show how innovation can completely, very nice, Akansha. Innovation can completely alter how people go about their daily routine. And the kind of entrepreneur ambitious and often require significant investment to get round off the ground. Once an iPhone launch a new version, new edition, then you see within 30 minutes, within 1 hour, the all phones sold. It means he gave the different flavor to his existing customer and their new customer. And here, the Tesla is a company who sought to innovate automobile market by launching line of affordable price car. Somebody told electric vehicle. Yeah? Who told the electric vehicle? Yeah. So 2003 they started Tesla, which had been done successfully large scale until then. By 2019, what happened? Tesla reported the sold of 3,67,000 units globally, 50% increase. And because how early Tesla was the market, the company enjoyed massive market share, rapidly growth in the industry. So as the new innovation of electric vehicle, and now the so many big companies started the electric vehicles. You saw that. Can any name speak? Name of electric vehicle which recently introduced by the companies, automobile company? Anyone? Yeah. Can anyone share the name of the electric vehicle company? Nobody knows. Chat nahi karo, bolo aap. Yeah. Just speak up. Any new company launch their electric vehicle, 4-wheeler, 2-wheeler, name of any company. You are technocrat, man, young champions.
Hero has launched his electric bikes.
Very nice. Good, Harsh. Anyone? Anyone? Yeah. So we will come on the point number 3. It's a big business entrepreneurship. One of the major disadvantages of the business when it gets larger and it starts move slowly. And big business often try to jump start entrepreneurship by snatching up a small business. And the company delegating innovation to the new acquisition. आप लोगों ने एक मूवी देखी हुई केबल वाला एक मूवी देखी थी Saloni cable wala something. Yes or no? Yes, yes. आप कहेंगे सर मूवी बहुत दिखाते हैं, but we can learn. So there is a one movie Saloni cable wali something movie is there. So like a Jio launch by whom? Yes, which group launched Jio?
Reliance.
Yeah, yeah. Reliance. Where's Harsh? Any other? I think बाकियों को मना किया हुआ शायद बोलने के लिए. घर पर हो क्या? Yeah. Okay. The large company may leverage limit product and life cycle, and they have experienced professionals. So most of the time, large company, what they do, new acquisition. Acquisition means they can take over the small companies. All right. And moreover, the massive tech firm such as Google and Microsoft. क्या हुआ है? WhatsApp किसने ले लिया? Have you seen? Microsoft ने कितनी छोटी छोटी कंपनियां खरीद ली? Google ने कितनी कंपनियां खरीद ली? देखा है आप लोगों ने? Yes. आप लोग WhatsApp यूज करते हैं?
सर फेसबुक ने ले लिया।
फेसबुक ने ले लिया, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि WhatsApp की तरफ काफी क्लाइंटें चली गई थी। ऑलराइट, ऐसे ही जियो ने कुछ कंपनियां या तो बंद हो गई या फिर उसने उन्हें उनके कुछ शेयर्स परचेज कर लिए हिडन। जियो ने क्या किया? लॉन्च किया बिग मनी से। सो जियो एंटर इन द मार्केट विद एज अ बिग फिश। सो बिग फिश ऑलवेज ईट द स्मॉल फिश। यही होता है, सुना है ना आप लोगों ने? बिग फिश ऑलवेज ईटिंग द स्मॉल फिश। And here we can talk about the real world example. After being partner for a years, you can see Disney finally purchased animation studio Pixar. Disney World का नाम आपने सुना है? Yes, Disney World. So which is the studio, animation studio Pixar? It's purchased by the Disney. Rather than create its own studio to compete with Pixar, they purchased it. And Disney decided to, it would be simply buy and up and coming studio behind the Toy Stories and other hit movies. It is a live example. Yes. And it have proven to quite lucrative arrangement for the both of the company. If Disney set up its own setup, then they become a competitor. And once competition is high, then officially it is a harmful for the both of the companies. So it should be it called the lucrative arrangement. What does meaning of lucrative? Which is the profitable, लाभदायक हो एक दूसरे के लिए. Hi Mohammed, how are you? Would you like to say something? So which has cashed on the other blockbuster success from Pixar since acquisition. Now Wall-E, Coco, Up, Brave and other companies and others, you can, how many you saw the Toy Stories? Huh? I think Tom and Jerry is a favorite for everyone. Any other animated TV story serial like this? Tom and Jerry? Huh? Anyone? Apart from Tom and Jerry?
Sir, Shinchan, Doraemon,
Good. Doraemon. Very
Ninja
nice.
Tony.
Ninja. And Chota Bheem. Yeah.
सर मेडागास्कर,
Very good. और एक बॉब द बिल्डर भी आता
माइटी
था.
राजू,
गुड. बॉब द बिल्डर भी आता था. सचिन.
यस सर,
गुड.
सर
क्या था?
फिनियस एंड फर्ब्स,
हाँ. और गर्ल्स आप लोग के लिए क्या था? रपेंजोला, द बार्बी डॉल. Yeah. These are the new creation started and Disney purchased. Now come under small business entrepreneurship. So when we don't have a resource of big business, then more conservation to your accounting and has to be more dependent on good. So old-fashioned elbow grease called this one. We think about the small business. So small business, you can start with some innovation in a modest way, which give the new twist to the available product and services. आपने किसी particular product में कुछ नया innovate किया. You did something new. And might be you update, might be your value addition. You give them a value addition. And profit used to support the company. It's a maybe minimum, but it's helpful for the survival of the company. So then you pour more than expansion slowly. And we can see it mostly small business start by the family member and friends, like local restaurant, dry cleaner shop, mom and pop shop are good example. अपने अपने घर के बाहरी कोई बुटीक खोल लिया, पार्लर खोल लिया, कोई वीडियो गेम का पार्लर खोल लिया, आपने आइसक्रीम पार्लर खोल लिया. आपने देखा कि आपके जो नियर बाय में डिमांड किस चीज की है, कोई स्मॉल शॉप आपने ओपन कर ली. अभी हमारे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने आर्टिफिशियल ज्वेलरी का घर में शुरू किया एंड दे स्टार्ट गिविंग द स्टार्टअप एंड दे स्टार्ट सेलिंग ऑनलाइन. Whenever you saw their Instagram page, Facebook page, they uploaded there the catalog photos of that particular jewelry or dresses, and finally someone can call them and they send it through courier. So these are the small businesses they started. Now you can see here the chances you don't have to go far. The good business small, many local business represent family that decide to put their hard-earned cash. Small business always start with the hard-earned cash. Might be your father, brother, or might be you yourself. You did some job somewhere, you earn some money, and you can start some small startup. Small restaurant in your nearby area, or might be in your home, and some hardworking family, they can serve the delicious meal. आप देखते हैं Zomato serve करता है, then Zomato have a connect with some housewives also for that nearby area, and then you transfer Zomato transfer order to that housewife, and they can prepare the meal, and that delivery boy pick up the meal and deliver the meal. So these are the things. Even then many fail, some succeed, few others go on expansion. So these are the ups and downs in this small scale business. And finally, for the today, number 5, we can see the scalable startup business entrepreneurship. Scalable. The Steve Blank, who is a startup business, which called lean startup concept, scalable startup business entrepreneur. Here we can see some of the example, then we able to understand. They believe that they can change the world. So first thing is you must have a belief. You can change the world. And venture capitalist means angel investor. They often suit to fund. They give you fund to this sort of startup in the hope to lending a massive return. Yes. So startup is sometimes funded by venture capitalist, angel investor, crowdfunding. Note down these words: crowdfunding, angel investors, venture capitalists. They are giving funds to your new startup. You can take help them. And then highly skilled, educated professional to run the show. So seeking address market, hold, disrupt entire industry. And here you can see the real world example. Everybody familiar with the Uber? Yeah. Any example like Uber? Other example?
Ola.
Ola, very good. And any other? Oyo? Yeah. What are the services given by the Oyo? Yeah. What is the spelling of Oyo? Yeah.
OYO.
Oh, why? Oh, oh, why? Oh. Hmm. So it is start an idea to revolutionize the taxi industry. And after attracting investment, the company exploded and grabbed massive market in a very short time. So critics have since questioned the company's business practices. Did Uber skirt taxi regulation? The pace independent contractor, driver artificially low wages to create unsustainable business model. But ultimately, after some failure and success, now we are happy to use Ola and Uber. Is it? Might be we read some review, but if sometime we require, we order. So the early foothold to the growing market. So early foothold is very important. किसने पहले शुरुआत? But no one can argue that company has not dramatical change and how people get around. So this is the scalable entrepreneur, which you can see the example of Ola, Uber, Oyo, Paytm. How many are familiar of Paytm? After Paytm, Google Pay started, Bheem app started, many more things started. But Paytm is a very popular. Is it? So can you see the biography of founder of Paytm? You can see the biography of Ola, Uber, Oyo. Then you will feel that which type of entrepreneurs are looks, and you can be a one of them. So here I am giving you assignment. Just see and write some views, 10 views on this today's session and biography of founders of Ola is an Indian, Oyo, or Paytm. This is a small assignment for you. And as everyone must read and write the 10 points of learning of today's session. Of learnings of today's session. All right. So this is the assignment. You can submit to your teacher. Yeah. Now come on the video, everyone. I wish to talk for the further process of our program. Everyone. Yes. So now you're able to see each other. Today we make it as a yes. Open the video. Those want to interact with me. Now you need to give a presentation on unit 1, unit 2. So that presentation is very small, just to 5 to 10 minutes only, even 5 to 8 minutes. Now I'm able to see and want the name of volunteers. Yeah. See, this will make you highly effect on internal marks. Those are voluntary come to give the presentation on unit 1 and unit 2. So after this July 3rd, 4th, 5th, July 3rd is Saturday, July 4th is Sunday, and July 5th. So 5th of July, you can give the presentation on unit 1 and unit 2. So either you come at voluntary or we can decide and forcefully to told you. So what is good as a technocrat? Yeah,
Sir, I can give presentation of unit 1.
very nice beta. God bless you. PPT आप लोग के पास पहुंची गई हैं.
Yes, sir.
रिकॉर्डिंग्स भी हैं आप लोग के पास. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस भी आप लोग के पास हैं. Yes. MPC,
Yes,
everything is with you. So आप लोग खुशी, आप अपने साथ 4-5 पार्टनर का नाम आप मुझे भी डायरेक्ट मेल कर सकते हैं. You have my mail ID. Do you have?
No, sir.
Okay, just you mail me. So unit 1, खुशी and group. आप लोग के 10% हो जाएं, बेशक एक एक टॉपिक आप लोग शेयर कर दें. It is
Sir,
take only 10
actually,
minutes.
You allocate the group of rest 9 people.
Okay, beta. Good. Unit 1. So do we have a Dr. Vaishali and Dipanshi madam here? Deepika. Unit 1. All right. And unit 2. Who want to be lead?
Sir, Aparna Goyal.
Good, beta. Very good. I expect from girls only.
So what
Boys?
if
Yeah, beta Mamta.
if someone is willing to give the presentation on both the units?
No, beta. That's good, Mamta. That's good. I am happy to listen to you. So आप फिलहाल तो आप unit 1 में participate कर लें. Okay. So Khushi can note down the name. Mamta is with you.
Sir,
Good.
actually I have created the PPT for unit 1 and unit 2. both.
Wonderful. Wonderful. So you can help to both. You will be a strong a supporter. Can we see you, Mamta? Yes.
Sir.
Good,
Yes,
beta. God bless you. God bless you. चलिए तो भाई ममता के लिए तो टॉस कर लो. अपर्णा और खुशी आप दोनों. हाँ. She is a big source of person for you. Good one. So just ममता आप unit फर्स्ट में हेल्प कर देंगे. ओके. एंड आई वांट टू सी अ क्रिएटिविटी. आप लोग को जो भी पीपीटी अवेलेबल है उसमें आपने कोई फोटो डालना है, कुछ कलर करंट्स करना है. पलक शर्मा आपने लिखा है ड्रैगन बॉल्स. वेरी नाइस. अच्छा और बताओ हु वांट टू बी. असाइनमेंट में पीपीटी भी आप लोग भेजेंगे. सी we just allot you internals also, so that internals can be based on presentation, assignments, and so many other factors are others. Attendance. So you need to be a participate effectively. This subject is very powerful subject once you enter in a corporate world. Note my point, note my words. So many BTech students, they after the job 3 year, 4 year, they forced to come to do MBA program because they want to rise board, and they saw that those people knows the effective tools of this business management subjects. They go high. So just take it a very important subject, and you can change your life with the help of this subject. So anyone who can help us? Unit 1 and Unit 2. So Monday on 5th of July, the presentation is there. All right. Monday. Within 1 hour, we can complete presentation of Unit 1 and Unit 2. It will take at least 30 minutes. I want to see a very good creativity of you all young technocrat. I think some of you are associated with this Adobe Lab, which MIT have set up in M Block. How many are familiar? Yeah. Adobe Lab. Yes, say something. Yes. Adobe Lab. You know? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Huh? Adobe Lab in M Block basement. There you can see, you can take a training for developing YouTube, editing in videos, making a poster, creative. Because the coming time, you have to have on the digital mode. Must be. So it's a new opportunity for each and every technocrat that they can learn this Adobe, and it's up to you whatever you want to do. All right. So have a nice day, everyone. Good one. Good to see you all.